Okay, I'm on the moon. Oh my god, I found the moon rock. Let me fly to it. This is a suspicious moon rock. It's floating. I wonder why it floats. Wow, that's cool. So, I need to go back and report this to my spaceship. Let's go back to my spaceship. Okay, I saw a flying rock. I'm not kidding. I'm not lying. Now, who said that? Me, I said it. Me, right here, see?
Well, I don't believe you. There's no such thing as a flying rock on the moon.
This way. I just saw one.
No, you didn't.
Ah, I'll even bring it to you.
Okay, bring it to me.
Hey. Oh, I can't get it. It's floating away. You're going to have to come with me.
Okay, whatever you say. Whoa, you're not lying. It's floating.
See, I told you.